This is the big Kahuna 18-foot water slide. This unit is a few years old, but it's in very good condition. It hasn't had a ton of rentals on it. It has a couple small repairs, including one right under here. A little bit of wear on the steps. This runs, or is running right now, on a 1.5 horsepower blower, which is not included. I would recommend a 2 horsepower blower, or you could run 2 1 horsepower blowers. This is 18 feet high, and I'll do just a quick walk around. Probably close to 400 pounds in weight. This has the inflated pool where the water collects here and sinks down, as opposed to the one that goes right to the ground, so it's more of a soft landing. This Velcro just reattaches at the end of the slide, just like that.